How to play Bloxburg on PS4 or PS5 controller. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about playing Bloxburg in your PS4, PS5 controller or console. So it's simple, so let's get started. So Bloxburg is available on PC, PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox One and Series X and S, and mobile as well. You can transfer your progress between the platforms as long as you use the same account. To find Bloxburg on your console, you need to open your Roblox and you may see it on the home screen. If not, you can use the search function to find Welcome to Bloxburg. You will see a page with details about the game. Currently, it costs 25 Robux to play, and this may change in the future. Once you join, the loading screen will appear and then you can play. If you played Bloxburg on another platform with the same account, your house, your items, and your progress will be there. So be sure to select the official Bloxburg game and not a free unofficial clone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.